jump in the muddy puddles. Little rainy day with Aunt Buns.
Nice and warm in Calgary.
See a little snow on the cars. Yeah, let's keep going.
Here, I'll make a snowball for the video.
Okay. Oh. Okay, let's go through the path. Oh, Bill's gonna make one.
Throw a snowball. Throw it at Daddy. Oh.
Good toss. All right.
All right, let's go.
It's cold. You're done jumping in puddles?
Yeah, I might get too wet.
Yeah, your feet are wet. Let's go get that dried off.
What is that?
Something in the driveway and it's wet.
It's to turn on and on and off the water.
Yeah, we have one of those at the old house.
Yeah.
We have a blue one in our alley. At the old house, we had the same colors one as that one is. A brown.
Okay, let's walk down these paths and go home.
The video's still going?
Yeah.
Jump it. Come on, Dill, you can do it.
Oh. Oh, car!
Wait, wait. Wait. Wait for us. Okay, let's cross.
Yeah.
Another one.
We have to go down that hill again. There's a sewer. Yeah, a sewer. That's what we found before.
You're gonna burn off those bacon and egg McMuffins. I hear a dog. Okay, I can shut this off.
Through there.